Hey guys, what's up? This is Sahil Vats, and today I will be showing you that how you can change your password easily of any Wi-Fi. Okay, the condition is only that you must be connected to that Wi-Fi. Okay, so here you can see that I'm connected to my Wi-Fi dual band. It's a dual band router. Okay, and this is that what she SSID 5 gigahertz. Okay, and these three all are mine. Bharat, this one it's burn and when IP. Okay, so these three are mine only, and I'll show you of both only that how you can do on any Wi-Fi. Okay, so first what you need to do, you need to get connected on that Wi-Fi which you want to change the password of. Okay, so when you are sure that you are connected to the Wi-Fi, then what you need to do, you need to go back and open the Chrome and type 192.160.0.1 and just click it. Okay, so here you can see that my Wi-Fi router is of TP-Link, so it has opened the login page of TP-Link. Okay, and if your Wi-Fi router is of some other company, then it will open the page of another company. Okay, so here it will ask you about the username and password. So I'm telling you that where you can get the username and password. So if you watch your router, so at the back there is one small chat in which this number is also written. Okay, and there is one login site is also either you can just log into this 192.160 in the address bar, or you can type the site of your router. Okay, that is for my router, it is TP-Link Wi-Fi.net. Okay, both will open the same page only, so it's one and the same thing only. Okay, so you can open from anything. Then at the back only in the same chat, it will be written the username and password, so you have to put that username and password here. So I've already saved it, so my username was Fusion, and the password it was written at the back, so you have to enter that password. Okay, and then click on to login. So after you log in, so you will find out the detail, okay, advanced setting of your router. Okay, then what you need to do for changing the password, you need to go to here, wireless setting. Okay, so here I can see my two networks. Okay, the first one is 2.4 gigahertz, whose name is it burns when IP 2.4 gigahertz, and second is 5 gigahertz network here, which is that Virtue SSID. Okay, so here you can see I have put the same password of both, that is my name only, Sahil Vats. So what we are going to do, we are going to change the password of both now to something more secure. Okay, so let's change the password to hi. It's 2.4, so it's T. So what I'll do, hi Tommy 1. Okay, and here it's 5, so it's F. It's just easier to remember, so I'll put it like hi for me fun. Okay, so it's hi Tommy 1 and hi for me 1. Okay, so you can put whatever, this is just for illustration only. So after then what you need to do, you need to click on the save button. Okay, then after when you save it, what will happen in the above bar, if you see the phone bar, you will see that your Wi-Fi will get disconnected automatically. Okay, and it means that your Wi-Fi password has been changed. See, now you can see that I'm not connected to any Wi-Fi now, and if you go to the Wi-Fi section, your Wi-Fi will have a quick reboot. Okay, and now you can see that my password has been changed and it is not automatically connected, so I need to connect my Wi-Fi again. See, you can see that there is only connecting sign, because it is now also it is recognizing the old password only, which is now incorrect. So what you need now, you need to just remove this network and modify the password again. So we will write down the new password, that is hi for me 1. Okay, so it's correct. So click on join, and now you can see that it is connected. So your password has been changed. So now I will show you the other networks. So this is my den Wi-Fi. So I have connected to this one. Okay, now what I just want to show you that the page will open different, otherwise everything will remain same. Okay, so it's getting connecting now. So now it's connected. So what you need to do, you need to do the same thing in this. If you want to change the password of this, go to the same thing, 192.168, or see the router at the back. There will be a site also of the router. Either you can go to that or this. So if I open this, I will see, you can know that my router is of Chang'an. This is something Chinese which was given by the provider only. Okay, so here also it's the same. You need to enter the username and the password. Okay, and then after that the setting is changed same. You need to go to the wireless and change the password and save the setting, and after that you need to go to your Wi-Fi and forget the network, and then again put the new password, then it will get connected. So this is the procedure for changing the password. And thank you guys for watching. If this video helps you, so do like this video and share with your family and friends also. So thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.